Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today our lesson is on the power of a power rule with exponent laws. Let's take a look at how this works. The power of a power law states that if you have a base to an exponent and you take that to an additional exponent, then the shortcut would be to just multiply the exponents. So given this example, x squared to the third power, if we were to expand this, it would mean x squared times x squared times x squared. That's what that cube does. And if we were to expand this further, it would be x times 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 x, which is x to the sixth power. But if we understood the power of a power law, we could have just multiplied the exponents. Here we have x squared cubed, and 2 times 3 would have been x to the sixth power. Let's take a look at another example. So here we have m squared n to the fourth all squared, and we're going to expand this first. So this is m squared n to the fourth times m squared n to the fourth. And let's go ahead and expand this even further. So this would be m times m, and then n to the fourth would be n times n times n times n, and then again we have m times m, and then n times n times n times n. So we could go ahead and count up all of our m's. This is m times itself 4 times, and then n times itself 8 times. But if we understood the power of a power law, we could have simply multiplied our exponents. 2 times 2, that would have given us m to the fourth power, and then n to the eighth power from 4 times 2, which gives us the equivalent exponent. Here we have a coefficient. So let's go ahead and expand this first. This would be 3x squared times 3x squared times 3x squared, because cubed means it's going to multiply by itself 3 times. Let's go ahead and expand this even further. So this is 3 times x times x, 3 times x times x, 3 times x times x. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and then we have x times itself 6 times. But again, if we understood the power of a power law, we could have just multiplied our exponents. This would have an exponent of 1. 1 times 3 is 3, so we would have 3 cubed and then x to the sixth power. And we know that 3 cubed is actually 27, so it would have left us with 27 x to the sixth power. All right, let's take a look at another example here. So we're not actually going to expand this one. As you can see, the bigger the exponents get, the more difficult it'll be to expand. So we're just going to go ahead and multiply our exponents. This would become 2 to the fourth power, because 1 times 4 is 4, x to the 12th power, and y to the 16th power. We got that from multiplying our exponents. 2 to the fourth power is really 16, and then we're just going to rewrite our other variables in the exponents. And this is how you use the power of a power law. It's one of those multiplying exponent law rules. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below. And for more math tutorials, subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.